Bitcoin's getting even crazier. We have Bitcoin tokens, right? Chains getting clogged up, or is it? It's called congested. But what does this mean for Bitcoin users, hodlers, investors, and also your boy, Bitcoin miners? We're gonna be digging into not just Bitcoin Ordinals, because we've talked about that before, but the fact that Bitcoin just hit an all-time high in daily transactions, and these BRC-20 tokens, which we got a guide for too, what all this means. But there's tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain, and I don't just mean this whole Ordinals NFT thing, more like ERC-20 tokens, Ethereum tokens. That is a potential game changer. My name is Vosk, you're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. This is crazy, right? Total fees paid for ordinal inscriptions topped 272 BTC, $7.6 million last week. The BRC-20 demand is leading to a 700% increase in fees after what we've seen with ordinal inscriptions, which led to all-time high in Bitcoin fees. That would be a 13,000% increase in Bitcoin fees before ordinal inscriptions. 300,000 transactions unconfirmed in the mempool, which basically means standing in line. Let's look at Bitcoin. But the transactions visualized. Look at these big boys. Eric Wall is a self-proclaimed taproot wizard, which is Bitcoin technology. He breaks it down, and the way he speaks is pretty funny and writes and all that. So let's run through this because this is pretty good, concise data. You may be familiar with Zen or BRC-20 or neither. I'm focused on BRC-20 today. Zen is similar, as he explains in this. We also have a video on Zen incoming on the channel. Make sure to check that one out. But it's basically free crypto in exchange for paying transaction fees. So let's kind of look at that. BRC-20 is issuing tokens on Bitcoin in tiny batches via ordinal inscriptions with a lot of different tickers. Zen is a specific ERC-20 that is issued on ETH and other EVM, Ethereum virtual machine chains, or Ethereum clones, right? And it's minted for free. All you got to do is waste gas or spend gas or basically pay a transaction fee. Both are essentially, you get a shitcoin if you waste blockchain capacity and burn fees schemes. I mean, that's a negative way to look at it, but it is true, especially for Zen. When it comes to the BRC-20 tokens, I mean, they're all free to mint. They're kind of like a free NFT mint. I mean, you could look at that in a positive light or a negative light, you know, whatever you really want to do there. But that's just my little narrative piece added on. But this is where it gets a little crazy though. On the top days, Zen XEN is responsible for 750 ETH being burned a day. If you take that into comparison to what the burn rate is on average at 24,000 ETH a day, Zen peaks at 30% of the total gas burn. Also, to put that into perspective with a dollar amount, 750 Ethereum at today's prices, which are down a little bit from recent prices, down 61% from their all-time high. 750 ETH. Okay, so is that 400,000? No, it's $1.4 million. It gets a little crazier. BRC-20 related transactions on Bitcoin just exceeded 50%. They're responsible for 30% of the total BTC fee expenditure right now. Market dynamics dictate that people will keep issuing these coins as long as issuing them is cheaper than what the shitcoin is worth. The token, right? The BRC-20 token, to replace the shitcoin naming there, right? So if this token is worth $1 and you can mint it for 50 cents, you're going to mint it all day and sell it for $1. That's just what humans do, chasing the money. Eric explains that there's no trivial way to stop this. The way you limit bloat is by setting block size and gas limits at the consensus level. This is someone using your block space, and it should never come as a surprise or negative impact on the syncability of the chain. Resource requirements of running a node. That's what the consensus limits are for. These abnormalities, yes, they cause fee levels to rise and give us a hint to the scalability issues blockchain is and will continue to face in a larger capacity, but he references that they push us to make sure we have layer 2 solutions in place and wallet infrastructure that can accommodate it. If you look at it positively, this is a stress test. It's a good thing, and he says you should stop crying about it.
Bitcoin mining is really cool, but to be honest, it's loud, the devices are expensive, And there are some pretty interesting alternatives. Like I'm earning $60 a month in passive income after my electricity bill using this hard drive miner. It's small, barely any heat or noise, and it's profitable. Check it out with the link down below and save some money by using our coupon code VoskCoin.
People are already writing Twitter threads trying to, be the next viral one. Late to the Pepe party? Well, don't worry, we got Bitcoin's BRC-20 tokens now, and that's where the degens are headed. BRC-20 tokens are an experimental token standard for the Bitcoin blockchain, much like an Ethereum ERC-20 token. The key difference here is that the BRC-20 tokens are secured by the Bitcoin blockchain, and this is all new and it's experimental, and it's not half as good or half as proven as the ERC-20 tokens. That's the couple parts left off. The majority of BRC-20 tokens are already meme coins, like Ordi, Pepe's here again, Mimi. I know it reads meme, okay? I was there when we created memes. They used to just be funny pictures on the internet. Remember Funny Junk? You probably don't. Newgrounds? They raised me. BRC-20 standard was created only a casual 2 months ago. BRC-20 tooling is still primitive, but these BRC-20 tokens as of yesterday have already gained a market cap of over $120 million. And in the VoskCoin BRC-20 video guide, I go over the UniSat wallet setup, how to get started on this stuff, interact. UniSat is basically MetaMask, but for Bitcoin, and understand and make sure you're aware that they already have a marketplace deployed. There are other ordinal marketplaces already in the game, but these things are in market, they have values, and don't forget that there are crazy crypto whales in Bitcoin. There is so much money in Bitcoin, sitting in Bitcoin, people with heavy BTC bags. Some of them would love to see things like this. Some Bitcoin maximalists think that this is the devil reincarnated. It's awful. But the fact of the matter is, right? So this Ordi token is trading over here at $2.41. It was trading at $4 yesterday. Ignore the price drop, whatever. These are tokens deployed on chain, minted for free, that now have tangible value, that you can sell those and someone else is paying Bitcoin for them. If for no other reason, just betting that it'll go up in the future, and they're early. And I can assure you, if you're watching this video, you're early.
Minting the token is super easy. You go to the link, or there's the URL, I have a short link too. Click mint directly. The max mint here is gonna be 3. You click next. This is what it's gonna show you. From there, you can ramp it up. You can pay the normal fee. You can put the economy. You can wait until it's less congested, of course, right? So if you do economy and the mint sells out, then your order will basically be destroyed and you won't get the tokens. But since we're so far away from the mint goal, it's early, right? Economy actually makes a lot of sense. So if you're in no rush and you just want to check back and see it finish tomorrow, then the economy route will save you a couple sats. If 16 Satoshis are no big deal, stick with normal, click sign and send. But just like that, we just minted some coins. Or at least we queued the transaction.
This is no different than looking at Ethereum ERC-20 tokens in like 2016. Really, 2017 is when the tokens went nuts. So does that mean over the next year, BRC-20 tokens are really gonna shine? And now is our opportunity to get involved? I mean, we could be minting these for free. All you gotta do is pay the transaction fee. And it's that mindset that has degens going crazy. And when it comes to minting these, right? So I'll go over here, I'll go to in progress. You pick any of these. In the Bitcoin token guide, I talked about this one. So you can mint this, right? You can go ahead and mint that, and you get 45 of these coins, and you can pay somewhere between 21 sats and 137 sats. To put that into perspective, that's somewhere between about $1.70 and $1.23. The TLDRs, the people that are early, are already making a killing on these tokens that they've minted for free. But it doesn't just mean you should go out there minting everything, but it does mean you should join the VoskCoin Discord server, and we collaborate with the other degens, if for no other reason than to chase the dream of becoming a Bitcoin token billionaire.
We minted our own BRC-20 token.
It's just for fun. It's an experiment. There's no value. There's no epic plan behind it or anything like that. Maybe one day, someday. But I will say that I've linked it in the video description below, and I would be absolutely honored if you learn about BRC-20 tokens from this video, or you're just a supporter of and subscriber of the channel. If the first token you mint on the Bitcoin chain is one of ours. Again, it's linked below, or simply unisat.io/BRC20/Vosk. I hope you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, stick around, and share this video with a friend, because Bitcoin is getting a little crazy. And I'm already crazy. And you're probably crazy too. See you later. I'm done. Goodbye.